HVAC business owners, this message is for you. Summer is upon us, and you know what that means, right? The phones are about to start ringing off the hook. Technicians are going to be running some calls. Installs are going to start stacking up. And the last thing on your mind is your bookkeeping. But here's the reality. Busy season moves fast. 1 minute it's June, and next minute you know we're at the end of the year in fourth quarter, and tax season will be upon us. And you're looking at your books thinking, where did the money go? Where's it at? That's where Your Books Matter comes in. We help HVAC companies like yours keep your books updated and current while you focus on servicing your client and growing your business. No stressing over reconciliation or missing transactions or trying to clean up a whole entire year at the last minute. And honestly, this is the time where you should be meeting with your CPA to make some business moves, tax strategies, or see what you can take advantage of before the year ends. Because once the year closes, a lot of opportunities go with that. When your books are clean and organized in real time, you're able to make confident decisions like hiring, investing in equipment or stock, or even planning properly for taxes. Don't wait until slow season to play catch up. Let's get your books handled so you can focus on making this the best summer yet.